Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete Lumosity account. First, you should open your Lumosity application and it will first pop up this window or it will in the beginning have you in this main menu. The main menu contains all the games or all the tests that you are going to do. But we are interested in this more menu, so it will give us more menus that we can access. We want to go to our account panel, so we are going to click on account settings. Here you will have too many options or too many parameters that you can change. But we want to delete our account, so we will have to click on the red button. After clicking on the delete account button, a confirmation message will appear. Make sure or you should know that all your progress or all your data will be deleted if you delete the account. So whenever you are going back or playing again uh, on this Lumosity, you uh, will find that all your progress and all your data has been deleted. So make this in consideration and just click on OK to delete your account. In my case, I won't delete it, so I will click on cancel. After that, just close your application and you will find that your account has been deleted successfully. So those are the steps to delete your Lumosity account. Thank you for watching and goodbye.